Hi guys, welcome back. Today, we're gonna keep it kind of short. I did get my uncle-in-law to come over here and weld that gearing box brace up all the way. So we'll definitely paint the rest of the frame out, and I think we're gonna mask off this split wishbone and paint it as well, because I think it'll look better all painted myself. But other than that, I don't know if we'll get too much more done, but here probably next week, or if I get out here, I know I keep saying get out here during the week and do stuff, but next video we'll probably be welding up the shock mounts. He gave me some advice on how to do it, and give it a shot. Worst thing that happens is they just break off and I have to redo it. So as soon as we get that done, then we can clean and paint the rear end, and everything should be good to start going back with brake lines and fuel lines, getting everything kind of plumbed. And then once that happens, do need to go through the engine. Forgot about that. Yeah, go to the engine, prep it, paint it, put it back in. Then we got to assemble the transmission. I think I have enough. I think they gave me everything. I'll have to go through everything again and see for sure, but get that in and probably cut that adapter plate. Not a big old chunk that's hanging down there. And paint the drive shaft, get everything hooked up. Then we're ready to drop the cab on it and run the electric lines. Or the new harness. And for too long it may be ready to start. But let me flip you around here real quick, and we'll kind of go over what we're going to do today. Alright, came in and welded this up through here and this up through here. Now I got I think it's going to be on there for now on, so I don't have to worry about this kind of trying to peel it whenever I turn. So we'll get this painted out today, and probably just gonna mask off here, or mask off everything outside of this area here, and just paint all that. Probably there's Fat Boy over there. Probably gonna pull these off as well, so we can get a good coat through here. And that will be all the painting, I think. But yeah, we'll do something through here with some tape or the cardboard. I think I got some cardboard we can shove in here. Tape this off and paint the rest of this. But then we'll do a little bit of grinding, and I do need to put some weld in here. And just hit that real quick. Get all these little splatters off, and then we'll be good to go for some paint. But the first thing we need to do is unbolt the front suspension, take everything we did last time off, and move this whole thing out. And once we do that, we can take it apart here and here. That way we'll have the front here free to paint. Lift that up, and we'll sand this down, clean it, grind what we need to grind, finish welding, and then we will paint, and then paint this, and hopefully it'll all come back together and look really nice. But I'm thinking we definitely need to paint that. Just look kind of odd if we don't, especially if that's painted and the rear end's painted, everything looks good, then we should go ahead and paint it. But anyways, let me get you all up here, and we'll start taking this apart and getting everything finished out. Alright, we got it in there. It's going to come in and put a little weld right through here. And may do a tad bit grinding just to knock off the little splatter marks. But hopefully we'll be painting this here pretty soon. Alright, that's about as clean as I can get it. We might jack it up a little bit and clean it down and then spray it with some paint. I think I still got some. Alright, while that kind of dries, I'll push it that way. We'll bring the front part around and get to masking off and spraying this as well. Let's get this over to the side and we can work on this. That's probably about as far as I'm gonna go with it. Just want that main part black. Up in here, too many things going on that I don't know what to do about, so just gonna leave it like that. May come back and paint it all eventually one day, but for right now I think this is good. For some reason this paint's not wanting to adhere too much. We're getting some drips, actually dripping off the split which one here, but we'll just dry for a little bit and then we'll try to put everything back together and see what it looks like. Alright, we got the everything put back together. I think it looks better painted. I just wish I could paint, I don't know, all that stuff. Let me turn you around here and kind of show you what it looks like. Looks kind of more matte than it does like a enamel, but that's fine with me. Give me your thoughts in the comments on, should I paint this whole thing here, like take the wheel off and just paint all that black, or does it look okay like that, or does it just look weird? Give me your honest feedback what you would do. It's kind of stopped at the same place over here. This turned out pretty good. We got it all painted. Just gonna clean the gearing box up a little bit, but I think it looks pretty nice. We got the frame 100% done, and the front suspension. Probably just gonna clean off these rods here. They're dirty. They're already black. So I might as well just clean them off and keep them. But next time I think we'll be jumping back here. There's That boy sleeping. We'll straighten these things up. I have to see if I can move that line a little bit. Anyway, straighten those up, and we'll have to put some metal in here and then try to weld everything up and make it somewhat strong. That side too. But we'll have to lift this rear end up and just take it loose here, swing it out. That way we got access to it, and this thing should fall that way and raise those up in the back. I didn't think about it, but we'll probably take that tank out again. No, take that back. We won't, because this will be out, completely out. So we'll have to raise it up high enough to get it over the tank. But I think it looks pretty good. Pretty happy with the colors, even though it is rattle can paint. I think it'll be pretty neat once it gets done. Anyways, that's a big milestone we can mark off on this rat rod. Like I said, we got more stuff to do. We'll try to weld up those spring perch next time, and if that gets done, then we can clean up the rear end. We got some super clean around here somewhere. We'll soak it down with that real good and wipe it off and paint that whole thing in that matte enamel black paint we got for the rest of it, and hopefully it'll look pretty nice. But give me your thoughts on the paint that I did today. Let me know if you'd go ahead and paint all that stuff and just let it kind of wear off naturally or whatnot. But anyways, thank y'all to the new subscribers that decided to come and hang out. We're working on a rat rod right now, but we got a Bronco in here too that we need to get done. But I want to get this done so I can enjoy it a little bit this summer, kind of take it to some shows and just have fun with. But thank y'all for stopping by, and if you could, please like, comment, and subscribe. It does really help the channel a lot. But please give me your thoughts and comments on the paint, what you can do around the rotors and the brake stuff. And I'll take them. I look at everything and I try to respond to everybody. If you have any comments about anything else on this, please let me know what you do different or what you like about it. Please let me know below in the comments. Anyways, thank you for watching, and like I said, next week we'll try some more welding. See if we can get those stuck in, and then we start kind of putting stuff back together. But thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next week.